Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, you are going to learn grabbing the page title and URL of web page. In addition to this, you will also give assertions to validate the page title and URL of web page. Our test requirement here is to navigate to zomato.com and grab the page title and URL of zomato.com. To write the test case, we need to write describe, open the braces, inside the braces, give the title. I am giving it as web page, comma, you need to open the function, give the braces and this equal to and greater than symbol, open the curly braces, and inside the describe block you need to write it block, it, open the braces, give the title. I am giving it as page title and URL, comma, open the function, give the curly braces, hit enter. To navigate to the web page, you need to use cy.visit. When you type cy. It is not showing any methods. Cypress will show you the auto-suggestive list of methods. For that, you need to add one line on the top of your test case. Add / reference types equal to Cypress. You need to enclose like this. If you type cy. And you can see all the methods are auto-suggestive. When you type visit, it is showing me visit. So here we need to give the URL. Let me grab the URL. So this is our first step. We need to visit to zomato.com. Our next step is to grab the page title. For that we need to write cy.title. You can select it from the auto-suggestive list. Open the braces. So our third step is we need to grab the URL. For that you need to write cy.url. Open the braces. We successfully wrote the code for grabbing the title and URL. Let's try to execute it. Before execution, save the test file. In the terminal, hit the command npx cypress open. Hit enter. From the Cypress dashboard, you need to select end-to-end testing and select the Chrome browser, start end-to-end testing. Here our test file name is page title URL. Click on that and it will execute the test case. As you can see, our test case got passed. Let's try to give assertions to validate the page title and URL. To give assertions in Cypress, we will use .should. .should, open the braces, and inside we need to give equal to, comma, the page title is Zomato. So we need to type the text there, Zomato. So this means our title should be equal to the text Zomato. This is the assertion in Cypress. For URL, we can give the same thing, .should, open the braces, equal to, and we need to give the URL of zomato.com. Here we successfully wrote the code for visiting to zomato.com web page and grabbing the title and validating it with the assertion, and also grabbing the URL and validating it with the assertion. The assertion is should equal to the URL and should equal to the title. Let me also introduce the cool feature of Cypress, which is auto run. Whenever you make changes in your JS file and save it, you see our test runner will be automatically executed. And now you can see our assertion also got passed because it is saying us expected Zomato to equal Zomato. Same thing with the URL, expected URL and to be equal to this URL. So this is one of the coolest feature in our Cypress. Whenever you save the JS file, the Cypress test runner will auto run. Let me show it to you once again. This time I am wantedly failing my test script. Instead of Zomato, I am only giving Zomat, and let me save it, and you can see the test runner is automatically executing. This time our test case will fail because it is saying us that expected is Zomato and equal is only Zomato. Let me make it correct this time. I am giving the correct text here, Zomato, and saving it. Ctrl S, and see, text case will automatically get executed. This is the cool feature of Cypress, which auto runs your test cases when you save the JS file. Thank you.